welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you all back. So if you're a new person dropping by, I say thank you for dropping by, and if you're an old viewer, I say thank you for sticking around and sticking with me. So today we're going to be talking about how I achieve my natural hair oil to achieve my hair length, the current hair length I'm carrying or I'm having presently. So how I prepared my oils and how I used it and how I achieved the length. So in this video I'll be explaining how I will do the step-by-step process of everything. Actually cut my head long and how I retained that length. Yeah, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I use natural ingredients to make an oil which grew my hair long. Yeah, this actually works because I just thought of it because this component I'm talking about contains some peppermint in them, and as we know, peppermint promotes growth. So today I'm showing you a video of how I made my onion, ginger and garlic oil for my hair. Yeah, onion, ginger and garlic. I'm actually going to show you how I prepared it and also the oil I used in preparing it. Yeah, as we all know, ginger, onion and garlic are natural ingredients which we use in cooking, and as we know they contain anti-inflammatory properties, and they also contain natural things to protect us from diseases and all of that. And so since it can go inside your body, definitely you can also apply it on your hair. So I just tried it and I saw it actually really works, and that's why I decided to make a video to show you all how I did that. So if you're wanting to make your hair grow long, to retain the length and to also give your hair some volume, then you need to stick around and see this particular video, because this actually works for any kind of hair, be it natural hair, be it permed hair, be it texturized hair. So you can actually try it and see for yourself to see how it works. So just stick around and let me show you how I went about it. So in making my spice oil, if I'm calling it spice oil, so this is my garlic. As you can see the garlic, I wouldn't be using much of the garlic because of the smell. I think this is even much, but you might not use as much as this. So this is my ginger clove. So since I'm making much of the oil, I'm using much of the ginger. So, and this is my onion. It's the purple or red onion, whichever one you call it. So how am I gonna have this done? I'm gonna have this peeled. After having them peeled, then after having them peeled, I would wash them. Then after washing, I would grate them. So this is my peeled and washed onions, the garlic and the onion. So as you can see, I've peeled and washed them. So I didn't get to use the whole of the onion and garlic I brought out initially. Yes, I realized I have to just do a little, because this, after preparing it, you have to finish it. You have to consume it within 1 week. Yeah, since it's a natural product and you're not going to be adding any preservative, so it needs to be consumed within maximum 2 weeks. So because of that, I'm not going to be having or preparing much of this. So this is my cold pressed coconut oil. So whatever you're doing, whatever oil you'll be using, ensure it's cold pressed, because cold pressed oils helps to work more. And this is my olive oil. So I'm using coconut oil and olive oil, and this is my extra virgin olive oil. So I don't really have much of these products left, but these ones I have, it's enough for me to use. Yeah, I really need to go stock more of this. So these are the things I'll be using for this infused oil. So just watch. Now I'm gonna have to cut this into smaller, shred it into smaller pieces, then I'll blend it. This is my blended ginger, onion and garlic mix. Okay, so we've blended it now, and these are the oils. I'm gonna have to infuse them. So here, this is my jar which I'm gonna be using in mixing it. So I'm gonna be scooping some of this into the jar. It's quite much, but you can do it as you desire. You can do the quantity you desire. Okay, so this is enough. I'm going to be using the rest of this to cook. So this is enough. Then I'm going to have to turn my oil into it. So I'm going in with my coconut oil first. As you can see, this is the coconut oil. So I'm going to have to turn it in, everything, because it's not much. Then I'll go in with my virgin oil, virgin olive oil rather. So I'm going to be turning everything in as well. So then I'm gonna mix it with my spoon. As you can see, I'm mixing it together. Then I'll cover it. So I'm gonna be leaving this to soak, or I'm gonna let it sit for a day, maximum 2 days. Yes, so that all the nutrients of the ginger, the garlic and the oil and the onions we have infused into the oil. Okay, so after that I would have to strain it. After infusing for maximum of 2 days, I will strain out the oil from this. By then all the nutrients would have entered into the oil, so I will strain and ensure all the oil in this comes out. Then after that I'm gonna have to throw the particles away. So this is our ginger, garlic and oil mix, and onion mix rather. So this is very, very good for hair growth. It also promotes fuller hair as well. So, and one thing about this is that it is natural. Okay, it is natural and it contains sulfur. Sulfur helps promote hair growth. So these three things I added, the onions, the ginger and the garlic, they all help in they all contain sulfur and promote hair growth. You can look up the ginger, the garlic and onion benefits and the things they contain for you to see this mix is a one-time bomb for maximum hair growth. So I hope you enjoy this. You can try it yourself and see how it works. That video, I believe you learned one or two things from that video, to see how I prepared everything and also the oil I used and how to apply it on your hair. So it's not necessarily you must use the particular oil I used. You can actually use any carrier oil which you have in your house, be it coconut oil, be it olive oil, or whichever oil that works for you. Okay, so and I hope you all liked the video you saw. So please, I don't want this video to be a long one. That is why you see I'm making it very brief and short. So please hit the subscribe button, please. So hit the like button, and please also leave your comment. Feel free to express yourself on what you think about this video, and also tell me what you would like me to make. Tell me any suggestions you would like me to bring up, any suggestions you would like me to make of the video. I'll appreciate all of your suggestions. So see you all next time when I upload another video. for watching. Bye.